Hello, my name is Mohamed Assani and I'm a teacher at the VSO School of Music. In this course, you'll learn about Sitar, which is an incredible instrument, very popular in South Asian music. You'll learn a lot about South Asian music. You will learn the basic techniques to play the sitar, how to hold the sitar. You will learn about the important parts of the sitar, how to tune the sitar, how many strings there are, and then we're going to move on to learning some basic scales. We'll also learn some different modes. These modes are called ragas. So you'll learn major scale, minor scales, and beyond. And in the end, you will learn to play one complete piece of music where you will play with the tabla accompaniment, and you will get to learn about playing a basic melody, a composition, a theme. Then we will depart from that theme, play a few improvisational ideas, come back to it, and you'll also learn a bit about the history of this incredible instrument. You never have guessed. You will find out what the sitar, this part of the sitar, is made from. And I hope you will join me on this journey in exploring the world of sitar, the world of South Asian music, and make some music together.